The question we have today is how to display our ministry address on Google along with maps and call button and directions. That is a great question. Have you ever tried Googling restaurants near me or coffee shop near me and you see all those listings with maps and call button on your phone? I think that is what this ministry leader wants to know. And this is done by using a Google product or a feature called Google My Business. Google My Business is a product from Google which is meant to be like a local directory where you can list your ministry and you can add details like your phone number, your address, the timing in which your ministry is open, and also all the updates that you want to give to your audience. So if you have not registered your organization in Google My Business, it is time you think about it and actually do it. The funny thing is, you may not have registered, but you will see that your ministry shows up on Google already. That's because somebody else might have tagged you and it created an automated entry. But I highly recommend that you actually take control of that entry by going and Googling your name. And when you see your entry on the right side, if you have not claimed it, there will be a link that says claim this business. So you can click on that and actually claim it with your organizational Google ID. So I have written a complete blog post on this. I will link to it in the description. So do check it out. I think the answer to your question is working and setting up your Google My Business entry, which is super important. Now Google actually looks at Google My Business as a kind of a social media platform of Google. It even allows you to post. So I'm not sure if you know it. So even if you have your entries sorted and you're not posting on Google My Business, then you should really consider it and start posting. It's a very powerful tool. So check out both my articles. I will link to it in the description.